Hey guys, in this video, I am going to actually have a challenge for you guys. So, the challenge is going to be this. First, create a variable with the name best sport. So, have a variable and just give it the name best sport and assign it the value of soccer. So, that's the first part of this challenge. Then, the second part is to create another variable and give it the name the worst sport or just worst sport and assign it the value of golf. And then create a print statement that prints the best sport is, and then the value of the best sport, which is that variable, the best sport variable. And then create another print statement that prints the worst sport is, and then the value of the worst sport variable. So that's this one here. So it's a pretty straightforward challenge. So what I want you to do is, well, pause this video and then, of course, accomplish the challenge. So go on, pause this video, and complete the challenge. Okay, so I hope you paused the video, and let's do this. So the first thing was to create a variable with the name best sport and assign it the value of soccer. So this is how you create a variable, best sport. So that will be the name, and we're assigning it, which means we have to have the equal operator. So we're assigning it the value of soccer. So we'll do that, and boom. That's how you create a variable in Python. It can't be any easier. And then we are going to be creating another variable with the name worst sport and assigning it the value of golf. So we are going to go create another variable, call it worst sport, and it will be assigned to golf. Boom. And then we are going to create a print statement that prints the best sport is and then the value of that best sport variable, which is this one. So to do that, we will do print, and then we're going to do this. We're going to put it in between strings again, and we're doing the best sport is space, so we can have some space between the string here, or the value of best sport. And in one video I showed you could just do best sport, and this will completely work. It's not wrong if you did this. And another way you can do it is by using this plus symbol or add symbol here, and that simply just combines the two strings together. So it will be the best sport is, and then we'll combine the value of the best sport, which is soccer. So if you also did it this way, then you're also correct. And this is the more acceptable and formal way of doing it. So in this video, I'm actually going to be doing it this way. But if you did it this way, that is completely fine. You are 100% correct. So we're doing the best sport is plus best sport. And then, of course, we can copy and paste because I don't want to type all that again. And we are just going to put the worst sport is worst sport. So if we run this, we should get the best sport is, well, the value of this best sport, which is soccer. And we should also get the worst sport is, well, the value of the worst sport, which is golf. And clearly we got that. And as you know, I am a soccer fan as well, so that's why I said the best sport is definitely soccer. And sorry for those who live in Europe, it's actually, yes, known as football, not soccer. But since I don't live in Europe, then I'm calling it soccer. But football is fine as well. So for those who like soccer and are football fans, I am also going to call it football. The best sport is football. There we go. Boom. So if you did that and you got these results, great job for you. You did a great job. And if you did not get the results, look at where you went wrong and then just copy it and try to get it right. So if you like this video, if you like the challenge, please like this video and subscribe for more challenges and exercises like this, and I'll see you in my next video.